In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Rockstar Games Launcher is not opening or working. There's a few fixes I'm going to go through with you in today's tutorial, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as mentioned, there's a couple of fixes in order to get this up and running and working again, so try these fixes and see which one works for you. First, what we're going to do from our desktop is come down to the search box at the bottom. In here, we want to type security and then open up Windows Security underneath Best Match. Once you've got your security window opened, what you want to do is click here onto Virus and Threat Protection, and then from here scroll all the way to the bottom, and in the Virus and Threat Protection settings you want to click onto the link which says Manage Settings. Then what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and on here you're going to see a section about exclusions. Click onto Add or Remove Exclusions, and then what you want to do is click the Add an Exclusion box. And on this submenu, come and click onto folder. Now what you need to do at this point is locate the Rockstar Games folder. Generally that's going to be on your C drive. So if you go onto this PC and then your C drive, and then go into Program Files x86, generally you're going to find your Rockstar Games folder in here. So it is in alphabetical order. So just come down to R and you can see the Rockstar Games folder here. Click to highlight it and then come and click onto select folder at the bottom. What you can now do is close this window down and see if you can launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. So give it a click and see if it launches successfully. Now if that didn't work for you, there is another fix you can try. So if you actually come down to your search box, and what you want to do is type File Explorer and open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. Then what you want to do is locate the Rockstar Games folder. So again, we're going to go to this PC, C drive, Program Files x86, and generally you're going to find the Rockstar Games folder in here. Now what you want to do is actually click to highlight the Rockstar Games folder. Then what you want to do is right click onto the folder and click to rename this folder. Now all we're going to do is add a hyphen at the beginning, just like this, and then click, and it's sometimes going to come up with a permission saying do you want to change this, just click yes, but your folder should now look something like this, Rockstar Games. So once you've done that, close this folder down, and what you need to do is locate the Rockstar Games Launcher. So if you have it on your desktop, brilliant. If not, just use the search box. Once you've got the Rockstar Games Launcher, right click onto it, and what you want to do is click onto Open File Location, and then right click again, and what you want to do this time is come and click onto Properties. Then what you can do is come up to the top and click onto Compatibility, this tab up here, and what you want to do is tick the box down here to run this program as an administrator. So once you've done that, come down, click Apply and OK to apply your changes. Then what you can do is double click to see if you can now launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. As you can see in my case, that's working absolutely fine. The Rockstar Games Launcher is now loading through and updating. Now if that didn't work for you, I do have one final fix which seems to be the most common reason why the Rockstar Games Launcher doesn't work, and that is due to the Microsoft OneDrive. Now the OneDrive has been known to cause compatibility issues with Rockstar Games, so what you can do is try uninstalling OneDrive. Of course, don't do it if you do actually use OneDrive, but the majority of people that have Microsoft OneDrive don't actually use OneDrive itself. So if you want to get rid of that and see if that helps the problem, which 9 times out of 10 this is going to be the best fix for you, then what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box at the bottom. In here, type Remove Programs, and then click onto Add or Remove Programs underneath Best Match. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the search box at the top. In here, type OneDrive, and if you do have OneDrive installed on your PC and it's coming up, you'll be able to go ahead and uninstall it. Now, I've already uninstalled it myself because this was actually causing compatibility issues for a lot of my games and apps, so I actually uninstalled it. But for yourself to uninstall it, once you've located it, all you would do is come to the right hand side of OneDrive. You can see there's 3 dots next to all your games and apps. Click onto the 3 dots and you're going to see the option to uninstall. So just click uninstall, follow the steps, uninstall OneDrive, and that should resolve your problem. You should now be able to launch the Rockstar Games Launcher successfully. So that is how to fix if the Rockstar Games Launcher is not opening. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.